Well, good morning again, everybody. This is Ralph back with a video talking about how to become an affiliate marketer in 2025, or indeed in any year, because while a lot of things change in online marketing and affiliate marketing over the years, the basics remain pretty much the same. And I've got three basic tips here that you would do well to heed if you're just thinking about getting started in affiliate marketing. The first tip is to find an affiliate marketing offer that pays high recurring commissions. Don't make the mistake of focusing on something that only pays one-time commission and a low one-time commission. That was my big first mistake back, oh gosh, probably about 12, 13 years ago. Made an $800 sale. Man, I was happy as heck. Then I found out my commissions were only going to be about $8. Now, you want to try to avoid that by investigating affiliate offers that pay high recurring commissions. Recurring commissions are where you get paid month after month after month for as long as your customer remains a paying customer of the service, the product, the subscription that you have sold. And using recurring commissions, you can actually build up passive income over time. Once you get enough customers signed up to buy your offer, whatever it is, if it's paying you recurring commissions, you're going to have a steady income coming in for as long as those customers remain paying customers. One-time commissions, you don't get that. You get paid once and it's over. It's what I call the digital rat race. You're constantly pushing for sales and you don't get paid until you make sales. With recurring commissions, you leverage the work that you did in the past by bringing in a good core group of customers, and then you keep that money coming in for as long as your customers keep paying. So it's a much better deal. High recurring commissions and not low one-time commissions. Second tip here is to find an affiliate offer that provides some sort of training. A lot of people that want to get into affiliate marketing, they really don't know what they're doing and what to expect. When I first got started in affiliate marketing, I thought all I had to do would be to grab my affiliate link, spam it across social media, and I'd make sales. And I did make a few sales that way back about 10, 12 years ago. Doesn't really work that way very well anymore. You really want to get an affiliate offer that's going to give you some sort of training as to how to become a better online marketer, how to do affiliate marketing better and better. Now, you will find training in a lot of the paid offers. I know a lot of people, they want to get into affiliate marketing. They don't want to pay for, to become an affiliate marketer, but you get a lot better training in the programs that you pay for than in the free programs. The free programs, you will get very, very meager or basic training, or oftentimes no training at all. If you want to learn how to really become a top affiliate marketer, or just do well, just make a good income, training really is a must, and you have to practice on it each and every day. Not just watch a short 5 or 10-minute video, but be willing to keep practicing and learning new things each and every day and applying those lessons as you go. Affiliate marketing offers that pay high recurring commissions and provide training. In my opinion, this is the perfect place to start. It's where I wished I had started some 12 years ago. So yeah, find an affiliate program that gives you some training along with everything else, and you'll do a whole lot better over time, because there's a lot of money to be made in sales in general and in affiliate marketing in particular if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to get there. So training, I believe, is an essential must. And then my last tip. This is where a lot of people fail in online marketing. It's where I had my biggest block of my life is not taking this message to heart. And now that I'm starting to apply this message, I am starting to get traction in my affiliate marketing, and the future looks bright right now. But when I first got started, I was very shy. I did not want to talk to a lot of people. I thought all I had to do was market, create social media content, create a Facebook post, a Twitter post, put up a YouTube video, and that's it. I was done for the day. No, you need to do a combination of marketing, where you're creating social media posts, putting up YouTube videos, things like that, maybe Facebook ads if you want to go that route. Do a combination of marketing and one-on-one prospecting. That's where you talk to people one-on-one, either on social media, in the face-to-face world, call them up on the phone, but you talk to people one-on-one and find out if they're interested in what you have to sell. And I know this can be scary for a lot of people in the beginning, but once you get comfortable talking to a lot of people every day about your business, you will start to make sales. The more that you hide, the more that you refuse to talk to people, the slower your progress will be. You may even find yourself just stalled out, making no sales and wondering what's going wrong. The problem is you need to be doing your marketing and talking to a lot of people every day. Start with a number that you feel comfortable with. Start with talking to, well, my mentor, one of my mentors that I'm learning from right now, he started talking to 2 people every day and following up with those 2 people every day. And then the next day, he'd find 2 more people, talk to them, so on and so forth. And within 60 days, he was making sales on a regular basis. And by that, I mean daily basis. And this guy is an extreme introvert. At least he used to be an extreme introvert. So he started with a number that was easier for him. 2 people every day. If you can talk to 2 people every day about your business and follow up, eventually you will start gaining traction. If you want to start talking to 5 people every day, if that's a number that you're comfortable with, or something that's not scaring the bejesus out of you, then go with that. The more, the better. Some of the best marketers I know, they're talking to about 10, 20 people or more each and every day, marketing their business, talking about their business. So if you're a shy introvert, like my mentor, like I was, make sure you get over that. Just get it through your head that if I want to do well in sales, I've got to do better when it comes to talking to people. And be patient with yourself. Because in the beginning, yes, it will seem awkward, it will seem scary, you will be nervous, and you will screw up a few times. Keep right on doing it, keep right on going. Eventually, talking to strangers will get to be more and more natural, and you will start to feel more comfortable doing it. And the more comfortable that you are doing it, the better you get at doing it, the more sales you will start to make. So those are my 3 tips in how to get started in affiliate marketing in 2025. Find an affiliate offer that pays high recurring commissions. Find an affiliate offer that provides training, good training, and then get out there and talk to people. Don't think you have to learn everything before you get started. Get out there as soon as possible and start talking to a lot of people every day. And yes, in the beginning, you will screw up, you will make mistakes, but the more that you do it, the better you will get, and the better results you will eventually start to receive back. So that's all for this video. If you want to take a look at what I do, I am marketing an affiliate marketing school that has been around since 2016. So it's got a good history behind it. It pays 80% recurring commissions, has all kinds of training, And I mean, this community is something else. If you want to check it out, go to my main affiliate marketing link, which is ralphshomebiz.com, and check it out, see if it's for you. Until later, this is Ralph signing out. Thank you for dropping by. I will catch you tomorrow in further updates. Until then, have a good one. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.